Okay guys, the rain let up already. Like I said, it was about a 20-minute rain shower. Look how gray it is in that direction towards Sabaneta and La Estrella. And then look at the clear blue skies again. Kind of like something in Miami. It happens in Miami, something like this. I'm taking you now to the plaza, the marketplace where you can buy fruit, vegetables, and herbs to make some nice herbal tea and all that, some different spices, not like India spice markets, but you got your fruit and vegetable market there and other tidbits in between. So we're coming up on it, Plaza De Mercado de Envigado, and this is Envigado. We're blocked up from the park now, and this is all very modern in terms of traffic lights and everything, and the pedestrian little signs to cross and not cross. And so this block right here, this is where the marketplace is, the old Mercado de Plaza de Mercado, excuse me, Plaza de Mercado. So we're gonna check it out in a few moments. We're gonna be going in there. I'll put my mask on again because people don't want to get cranky. So let's check it out over here. This is the market plaza here, Plaza Mercado. So let's check it out. Entrance is right over there. See, fruit and vegetables and grains and cereal and things like that. And I got a little bit carried away. I forgot that I gotta get the temperature. So you see here, this is the plaza, the old market plaza, and you see how they sell vegetables here and everything, and the other stuff that I don't like. And now we're going more to the fruit area, and this is La Plaza Mercado, the old one. My granddaddy used to bring me here when I was a kid, a little kid, when I come from the States. And this is the old market plaza. It's a small thing. It's not something big like in India or whatever. But this is El Mercado de Plaza, La Plaza Mercado, Plaza Mercado. I'm always getting crazy. Like right here it says on that thing, Plaza de Mercado Envigado. Local means shop 7B. And this is one of the things here that they use to bring their fruit and vegetables, and that's how they do their advertising. So this is the fruits and vegetables. A lot of different types of fruit and vegetables that you probably never seen in your life. And you can just check it out, the mangoes, the apples, the pears, the guavas, the different what you call zapote, melon, and then you got potatoes, tomatoes, and all of that, and green peppers, red peppers, a lot of different things here. Then you got plátano maduro. It's a type of banana, but it's not a regular banana, and we have them fried or baked. Tangerines, pumpkin, beans. Look at the beans. And then here we have the herbs, all different herbs and leaves that you can use for different things. You want to make yourself a nice tea. They got the chamomile, fresh herbs, even blackberry and something else, kind of a mix. Pronto alivio is good when you have a cold or some kind of a flu. Pronto alivio is good to make nice little tea with that. Mata ratón is good to breathe in if you're having a lot of coughing and problems with your chest when you have a cold. So you have a lot of different things here. Hola, ¿cómo están? And then you got the aloe vera, the penca savila, and everything. So you got a lot of things you can get here at the market. And then you got the brooms and the mops. So you got a lot of stuff. You want to buy yourself a little piggy bank? I got some pottery stuff here that you can buy. And then you got the nice organic stuff here. If you want to buy some chia seeds or what other stuff, or collagen, or... So we're leaving La Plaza de Mercado Envigado. I'm going towards my motorbike, and the rain has basically let up. And just look at the difference. Bluer skies that way, and still some raindrops here. Still a little light rain coming down. And from that way you come down from Loma del Escobedo, and Loma Las Brujas, and all nice apartment buildings, residential complexes up that way, middle class stuff, going up Loma El Escobedo. And I recommend, if you want to live somewhere, you can live around here, or you can live up that way. Now it's time for me to go pick up my motorbike. And this is Envigado. This is Envigado.